Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw and write in capital letter alphabets A to Z. Stay with us. Today we write in capital letter alphabets A to Z. So kids, first we're using the color of red and writing the alphabet of A. Stay with us. A for apple. A for ant. The next one is B. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. D for doll. The next one is E for egg. F for fish. F for fan. Stay with us. G for God. The next one is H. Now we're using the color of blue and writing the alphabet of H. H for hand. H. The next one is I. I for ice. I for ice cream. J for jackfruit. K for kite. L for lion. L for lemon. L. The next one is M. M for moon. And the next one is N. N for nose. N for nest. Now we're using the color of silver. Silver color. Writing the alphabet of O. O for orange. P for penguin. The next one is Q. Q for queen. The next one is R. R for rose. R for rice. S. T. U for umbrella. The next one is V. V for van. W. X. Y. And the last one is Z. Thank you so much for watching.